India's DRDO has developed a new mounted gun system based on the ATAGS platform, and it's starting to attract serious attention. With global conflicts evolving and mobility becoming essential for artillery units, this system offers a clear edge in both firepower and operational flexibility. Developed in partnership with Bharat Forge under the DCPM model, this system blends the firepower of India's ATAGS with the mobility of a specially built 8x8 high-mobility truck from BEML. Powered by a robust V8 engine that delivers 425 horsepower at just 1800 RPM, the MGS doesn't just carry its own weight, it storms across terrains with unmatched torque, navigating tough landscapes where conventional systems might stall. But mobility is just one part of the story. What sets this gun apart is how it integrates everything into a single lethal package. Unlike towed artillery like ATAGS that require a separate vehicle for deployment, MGS is a self-contained unit. The gun is mounted directly on the truck and it carries 24 ready-to-fire rounds along with all the necessary charges, all on board. That's not just convenience, it's battlefield dominance. And thanks to its Zone 7 charge capability, it can strike targets as far as 48 kilometers with standard rounds, the highest in its category. With advanced rounds, that range could touch an astonishing 70 to 80 kilometers. India didn't stop at range and mobility. The MGS runs on an all-electric drive, a game-changer in modern artillery. This isn't some fragile tech experiment either. The battery charges directly from the truck, eliminating any vulnerability in the field. What you get is lower maintenance, fewer moving parts, and reduced chances of system failure. In combat, that translates to reliability under fire. That's the kind of engineering India is delivering: solid, efficient, and designed for real war. Adaptability is also hardwired into this system. While ATAGS had a chamber volume of 25 liters, MGS scales it down slightly to 23 liters. Why? To fire NATO standard rounds with ease, making it highly exportable and globally compatible, a smart, forward-looking move that opens the door for India in the international defense market. The firing system itself is fully automated. It can unleash 3 rounds in 30 seconds, 6 rounds a minute, and keep up sustained firing at 60 rounds per hour. In high-altitude warfare, the gun's elevation up to 72 degrees becomes a tactical advantage. Add plus-minus 30 degrees of traverse and computerized ballistic solutions, and you get deadly precision, no matter the terrain. Now, compare it with the world's best. France's Caesar, the most hyped 8x8 mounted gun, offers a similar firing rate and caliber, but its standard range stops at 38.6 kilometers, and its price $4.26 million. The Swedish Archer, excellent firing rate and traverse, but again, limited range and a massive $8.41 million price tag. India's MGS delivers similar or better performance at just $1.74 million per unit. That's not just value for money, that's strategic leverage. In the era of drones and precision strikes, fixed artillery is becoming a liability. What armies need now is mobility, speed, and survivability. MGS gives all three. It shoots, scoots, and survives. It doesn't need a separate transport truck, and though its combined weight of around 30 tons makes it heavy for airlifting in bulk, the trade-off is justified by what it delivers on the ground. For India, this is not just a new weapon system. It's a statement that we can build, field, and even export world-class artillery at a fraction of the cost. With global interest rising and a clear edge over competitors, the MGS isn't just a gun. It's India's calling card to the future of modern warfare.